Hey guys, Jake here with Clackacraft. Hey, I want to show you a real quick option. I'm going to keep this video short. Again, if you like our videos, hit like and subscribe down below. Got some cars in the background, a little noisy here, but hey, it's a really cool option I get a lot of calls about. A folding tongue, swing tongue, collapsible tongue, whatever you want to call it. Cool option. We can do it on our boats. It's a little over 400 bucks, 500 bucks at the most, maybe, time of day, whatever we're at in life. But as far as it goes, it's a Fulton 2x3 swing tongue. You can also do it for like a 4x4 tongue if you have an older trailer. But I wanted to show you guys this real quick. It's, something cool, something we get requests about. You got a smaller garage, something, shorter length, you want to be able to walk around in your garage still. Not a bad idea to think about. Here's the folding tongue. I want to show you guys. Pretty simple little guy, obviously you can see how good our welders do on that. They do a great job. That's actually for a bolt if you wanted to bolt it on, which we did never do. You can do it at your own, thought, if you want to do something after the math, but I would recommend highly to have it welded on. We go ahead and these have been galvanized, so after the fact we have to go ahead and sand these back, cut them, and then we do cold galvanizing on this to keep this from rusting. Down the road this may not be as strong as a regular galvanizing, but it's something we do to make sure it lasts longer. If you take good care of it, it should be fine. Really simple little option. It's a 16-foot Big Eddy trailer here. Pretty simple. It's not a big deal. You can see one side's bolted here, the other side's got a little pin here, so you can see you can just pull that out, pop this up, it pins out. Real simple little deal here, and the way we go, we're swinging it back. I think we just measured it. It's about 28 inches off of that front. I call it 30 inches because you can adjust that a little bit more back depending where you're at with that. But that will definitely save you some room in your garage. So it's something to think about if you're buying a boat, or if you already have a boat, you want us to do that, you can definitely schedule a time. It's something we have to do on our, when we have some time to do it for you. If you're lucky enough to be close enough to one of our locations in Oregon or Idaho, it's an option for you. So again, swing tongue, I just want to show you guys that. I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and again, if you like them, hit like and subscribe down below. We appreciate you. Enjoy.